Welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are going to begin with an exciting topic, software engineering. Have you ever wondered how massive applications like Facebook, WhatsApp or YouTube are actually built and maintained? Well, it's not just random coding. It's a systematic process called software engineering. In this video, we will learn what software engineering is, why it's important, and how it helps us design reliable, efficient, and scalable software. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is software engineering? Software engineering is the process of developing and creating software for computers and electronic devices. In simple words, it's a step-by-step process where we first analyze the user's need and then design software based on those needs. Unlike random coding, software engineering follows well-defined scientific principles, methods, and procedures to make sure the software is reliable and efficient. Software engineers use design techniques and programming languages to build applications that we use every day, like mobile apps, websites, and even the software inside ATMs or medical devices. In order to create complex software, we can't just start coding randomly. We need software engineering techniques to manage the complexity. Two important concepts that help us are abstraction and decomposition. Abstraction means focusing only the most important parts of the software, while ignoring less important details in the early stages. This makes the software requirements simpler and easier to understand. Decomposition means breaking down the entire software into smaller modules. Each module performs a well-defined independent task. Later, all the modules are combined to form the complete system. Together, abstraction and decomposition reduce complexity and make large software projects easier to design, develop, and maintain. So, why do we even need software engineering? What's the purpose? First, it helps us manage large software projects. Without proper methods, big projects would become unorganized and nearly impossible to complete. Second, it provides greater scalability. As user needs grow, we can easily expand or upgrade the software without starting from scratch. Third, it helps us manage cost. By planning and following structured methods, we reduce errors, avoid rework, and save both time and money. Fourth, software engineering handles the dynamic nature of software. Technology and requirements are always changing, and software engineering makes sure we can adapt. Finally, it ensures better quality management. The goal is to build software that's reliable, efficient, secure, and user-friendly. In short, software engineering isn't just about writing code. It's about creating high-quality software that can grow, adapt, and last. Thank you for watching this video on Introduction to Software Engineering. I hope you now have a clear idea about what software engineering is, its purpose, and why it's so important in building today's software systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more easy tech lessons. And tell us in the comments what's your favorite software or app that you use every day. See you in the next video.